For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel JBS Academy. Are you importer exporter and having a valid IC certificate issued by Directorate General of Foreign Trade? Then we have a very important information for you. First of all, please subscribe our channel. Directorate General of Foreign Trade has issued very important notification number 58 2015-20 dated 12th February 2021, in which DGFT has specifically mentioned that all the exporter and importer having a valid IC certificate, they have to update their IC certificate online through their online portal and update all the information. In case importer exporter have not any updation, then also they have to update their profile. Now we can explain you very simple way how to update your importer exporter code number online. It is a very simple process, so please pay your attention. First of all, you have to navigate the website www.dgft.gov.in. Then after, you have a login on DGFT website. If you are not having a registered in DGFT website, you have to first of all register yourself. You have to fill up the necessary information of your company and contact details. Then after, one-time password will be generated on your registered mobile number, and you can mention the one-time password and automatically you will register on the DGFT website. After the registration formalities has been completed, you have to log in on DGFT website. Please log in with your user name, ID and CAPTCHA code. After the successfully login on DGFT website, you have to update your IC. In case if your IC is not linked with your registered account, first of all you have to link with your digital signature or valid Aadhaar OTP number. Then after, please click on your update IC. After the click on update IC, you will get the information about the modification of the IC, and please select your existing IC and proceed for the application, in which all the information you can view on your importer exporter code number which is mentioned. In case any correction or updation, if you wish to, you can update your primary contact details or your branch details. After updation successfully, you can click on the save and go to the next details. Then after, you have to update your details of a proprietor, partners or directors. In case of multiple directors, one by one you can update their contact details and address if you wish to. Then after, click on the save and proceed further. DGFT has also updated the link related to your bank account details. Now you can add multiple bank account details. You can edit your bank details and click on the save and proceed further. Then after, you have to update your details of a preferred sectors which you are working presently, whether it is related to services or whether it is related to goods. Please click on the valid details and proceed further. And then after, you have to submit online declaration. You have to just click on the same and submit your application. After the declaration, you can preview your entire IC application which you have modified online. You can review the same and submit. After online review, you can submit the signature button, in which DGFT has given two options. Either you can signature through your digital certificate or you can e-sign through your valid Aadhaar number. You can proceed on the same, and after one-time password, you can generate your Aadhaar e-signature or you can go further for online digital signature updation. Friends, your IC is now updated. Isn't it so much easy? For this type of information and update related to import and exports, We once again request you to please subscribe our channel. Thank you.
For detailed learning on all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.